First at 6, Wisconsin health officials bracing for yet another wave of COVID cases. The CDC says the OMICRON variant is now the dominant strain and could produce more cases.
TMJ4's Charles Benson asked Governor Tony Evers if the state is prepared to have more home testing kits and get more people vaccinated.
Charles had that one-on-one conversation with the governor as we close out 2021. Here's more now from Madison.
The pandemic has defined a majority of Governor Evers' first 3 years in office, and it's looking like that will continue into the new year with a new variant. Is the state prepared for a likely surge with Omicron?
Well, I think yes. The answer is yes. We've worked with our good folks at the county levels and the municipal levels for the whole time, and I know they're ready and able to take it on.
Governor Evers says the game plan to take it on continues with getting people vaccinated or boosted. Right now, 58% of the state's population would be considered fully vaccinated. 82% of people 65 and older have the highest vaccination rate. But the pace for first-time doses has slowed. President Trump recently indicated he had gotten the booster shot.
We need to get people vaccinated, and that will continue to be an issue. Unfortunately, it became a political issue across the country, and Wisconsin's no different than that. But we're going to continue to fight for that.
It doesn't seem like people who don't have the vaccine right now will want to get the vaccine, even if you see another surge. Do you see any incentives or changes in that?
Well, we'll look at incentives. We did a few up front, and I suppose that's a possibility. But at the end of the day, I think we can. I mean, we're doing thousands a day already, and I wish we were doing 50,000 a day going forward. But as this new variant comes to be, I truly believe that we'll be getting more people shots in arms, and that is the main issue. I'm not sure $1,000 a person or whatever is going to make all that difference.
More testing is on the way, but will it be enough? As Omicron surged in New York City, testing lines were long and COVID home testing kits were in short supply as people rushed to buy what was on store shelves. President Biden says 500 million rapid home testing kits will be available online for free in January. Do you see if the state will be prepared to have home testing kits for people who want them and need them if we have this likely surge?
Yes, absolutely. And that's a great question, because I think testing is part of the solution. When people are testing, then they find out that they have COVID positive, they can at least avoid other people and not infect other people, or get treatment right away, or hopefully both. So it'll help people kind of own their own health care. And so I think it's the right step.
More testing of COVID as a third year of COVID tests all of our patients. Charles Benson, TMJ4 News.